Let's move on and talk about the pick of the week from HDFC Securities. For that, now let me welcome Abdul Karim, the Fundamental Research Analyst from HDFC Securities. Abdul, good morning and welcome. Let's talk about the pick of the week. What is that stock and what is the rationale for that?
Thanks, Steve, and good morning to all. We have recommended pick of the week on Mastek Limited and recommended to buy the stock at the CMP and add on this to rupees 409 to rupees 413 for a sequential target of rupees 531 and 585. Mastek is engaged in providing software solution and integration services to governments, retail and financial services organizations across the world. And company has emerged as a leading provider of enterprise digital transformation service for both public and private enterprises. As far as key rationales are concerned, with a robust order book, company has excellent track record of project execution over the past, which could help to add new clients. Strong traction in governments and retail space along with focus on digital transformation and decent traction in UK and US could generate strong growth opportunity going forward.
Abdul, I want to ask you one question. Since you have target of almost 531 to 585 for the next 3 to 4 quarters, now Mastek, as we know again, has been gaining some good contracts in the US and UK markets. Any concern around the volatility related to the Brexit uncertainty from the European markets or the sort of recent slowdown in the government contracts we have seen, because that commentary has been coming from the US side, the US companies. Anything around that, or you think the pipeline is looking really strong and stable for the company?
Yes, as far as risks are concerned, currency volatility, competition, Brexit impact, and largely depends on single geography, brings cautious approach on the stock. And see, Mastek is largely focused on single geography. 77% revenue comes from the US. And there is uncertainty around the outcomes of Brexit and post-Brexit. The impact on IT sector would largely depend upon what model does the UK adopt for its relationship with European Union. And at a CMP of rupees 463, the stock trades at 8.7 times FY21 earnings. I don't have any holding and not traded in the last 1 month in the stock, and I don't have any material conflict of interest in the stock.
Okay, that's the word on Mastek. Another word on the sort of in the context of deal pipeline. What's your own view? Because we've heard a lot of commentary coming from large cap companies. They are seeing again improvement across the sectors in the context of deal pipelines. In fact, deal sizes have also increased, and again deal wins have also increased. How much sort of conviction you are actually looking for Mastek again from that perspective for the next 3 to 4 quarters?
See, for next 3 to 4 quarters, Mastek is looking good, and Mastek has a strong track record in government and retail verticals, and contributing 42.4% and 34.3% in total sales. And at the same time, the Mastek company has proved its capability in delivering large and complex enterprise-wide digital transformation projects to the public and private sector, and it's a target market in the US and UK. US continue to remain the largest IT market, presenting huge growth opportunity to the IT company with solution capabilities. In the United States, Mastek provides end-to-end solution to financial and retail organizations. So, considering all the facts, we are very positive on the US and UK both sides, and we are expecting the good order book in next 3 to 4 quarters.
Abdul, one small question. I'm not sure again if the hedge book is something which you'll be tracking for the company, but what's your view on the currency side for the company again, and any hedge book again, strong exposure to the hedge book also?
See, the company has very good track record to maintain the hedging strategy, and I think we are not expecting a major concern on the hedging side. So net to net, it will be a positive for the Mastek.
Sure. Abdul, thanks a lot, as always, again, for coming on the show and giving us your pick of the week, and that's Mastek. Again, the target is 531 to 585 for the next 3 to 4 quarters. The stock currently is trading 477, and that's the stock coming from HDFC Securities. From there, now let's move on.